Welcome to Kitsap's Adopt a Spot volunteer program. The work you and other volunteers are doing helps keep Kitsap clean, safe, and healthy for all. Your safety is our top priority, so please watch this video carefully to ensure you and your volunteer group are well prepared for a safe and successful volunteer experience. This safety video is not all-inclusive and is not a substitute for common sense. Let's go over some basic safety guidelines all volunteers must follow. Before you begin your work, take a few minutes to review your general safety guidelines and procedures. Your agreement provides information about your specific location and a customized safety plan. If you leave your designated area, you're no longer acting as a county volunteer, so please stay within your marked boundaries and on public property and roads. All volunteers must be 15 years of age and older. Minors 15 to 17 are welcome to volunteer with the supervision of a parent or guardian. If you have any questions, refer to your agreement or reach out to our email, adoptaspot@kitsap.gov. When you arrive at your spot, make sure you completely pull off the road and park out of the way of passing traffic. It's essential to assess your adopted location for safety. If something feels unsafe, postpone your work and report it to the Adopt a Spot staff. Remember to volunteer only during daylight hours when visibility is good and road conditions are safe, including making sure there's good traction on the road and that drivers can see you clearly. Other things to consider are: avoid volunteering during temperatures above 90 degrees and during poor air quality. Volunteers should carry a cell phone and notify someone where and when they'll be volunteering. In case of an emergency, call 911. We encourage volunteers to keep a small first aid kit in their vehicle. And remember, pets are not allowed during volunteer service, even if they are on a leash. Once the area is deemed safe, all volunteers must put on their safety gear. We'll provide the required personal protective equipment, including a high visibility vest, gloves, litter pickers, garbage bags, and flags. All volunteers must dress in proper attire. You must wear closed-toed shoes, such as sturdy boots or athletic shoes. For added visibility on the road, please wear light-colored pants and shirts. If you're organizing a group cleanup, there are a few more steps to ensure a safe cleanup. All volunteers that are part of a group cleanup must wear the provided PPE. Group leaders are responsible for giving a safety overview, explaining what to do in case of an emergency, and where the first aid kit is located. We'll also provide traffic control signs for group cleanups. The traffic control signs will need to be set up and placed at the boundaries of the area the group will be working in. The signs should be placed facing traffic to warn drivers that volunteers are ahead. Let's get started with picking up litter. Only pick up small, safe, and identifiable litter that fits into the provided litter bags, such as paper, bottles, cans, plastic wrappers, to-go food containers, and clothing. Always use the grabbers, not your hands. Don't pick up large, hazardous, unsafe, or unknown items like tires, furniture, paints, or large amounts of liquid. If you come across any hazardous or hidden items, please flag it. Please report flagged items in your cleanup report, and our staff will safely remove them. If you come across needles or other sharps, only handle them if you've been trained and have the proper safety gear. You can also mark sharps with a flag. While you are volunteering, roadsides can pose some hazards. Make sure you stay focused while working and make sure you can hear oncoming traffic. Don't listen to music or talk on the phone. Face oncoming traffic at all times. By being aware of your surroundings, you can be prepared for unexpected driving behaviors. While volunteering with others, walk in a single file line. If you need to cross the road, make sure the road is clear. Finish one side before crossing to the other. Make sure you use caution when working around guardrails, ditches, steep slopes, corners, or areas with narrow shoulders. Volunteers should not remove litter from driving lanes, steep ditches or slopes, roundabouts, construction zones, or mediums. Remember, stay on public property and roads, and never go beyond the back of the ditch. Once you've successfully cleaned up your area, tie your litter bags and dispose of them in your home trash or at any Kitsap County garbage facility for free. Simply let attendants know you have litter bags from the Adopt a Spot program. With disposal out of the way, you have one last step. Report your cleanup activity within 10 days on the Adopt a Spot webpage. Make sure to note any large or hazardous items needing picked up. Volunteers are also encouraged to report other issues with Kitsap County roads and properties through SeeClickFix. For group cleanups, all volunteers must return supplies to the group coordinator. Thank you for volunteering. By following these safety guidelines and staying alert, we can ensure a safe and successful cleanup for everyone.